Hello, good morning, everyone. So, welcome to all of you at our platform EduDan. Today, we'll cover up Madhya Pradesh GK for our MP PSC dental surgeon exam. Okay, let me share the slide. Yes, we go. Fine. Yes, I'm visible. Yes. Okay, fine. All India Radio Service started from which city of Madhya Pradesh? Indore. All India Radio started in Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research in Madhya Pradesh? It is located in Bhopal. It's known as ISER. The Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research is a prestigious institute in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Sihonia, the capital of the Kachwa Rajput, is in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Morena. Morena is a land of Rajput actually. Sihonia was the capital of the Kachwa Rajput. It is in the Morena district of Madhya Pradesh. The Kachwa's dynasty was founded by King Kriti Raj, who ruled from 1115 to 1135. Which person from Madhya Pradesh started the Bachpan Bachao Andolan in 1980? He was Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi started Bachpan Bachao Andolan in 1980. Kailash Satyarthi is a child development activist of India. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2014 along with Malala Yousafzai. Hardola Ki Manoti is a folk song from which region of Madhya Pradesh? Bundelkhand. Hardola Ki Manoti is a folk song from the Bundelkhand region of Madhya Pradesh, which is the highest power project of Madhya Pradesh. Bansagar. The Bansagar project is in the district of Shahdol on the Sun River in Madhya Pradesh. It was previously called the Dimba project. Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar jointly signed the project. In this, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar bear in the ratio of 2 is to 1 is to 1. In which district of Madhya Pradesh is a fort of Sambhalgarh? Sambhalgarh fort is located in Morena. It was built by King Gopal Singh of Karoli. Gwalior Gharana is one of the oldest gharanas in India. It is related to which field of classical music? Khayal. Okay. And its most famous poet is Tansen, who used to come from the city of Gwalior. Which district of Madhya Pradesh is called the land of white tigers? Rewa. The state tree of Madhya Pradesh is banyan tree. It was elected the state tree of Madhya Pradesh in 1981, Banyan. That is a Bargad ka ped. What is the total share of hydropower in Madhya Pradesh energy sector? 917.5 megawatt. Allah Khand folklore Madhya Pradesh is from which region? Bundelkhand. Is part of Parmar Raso composed by Jagni. Allah Udal is described in it. Which of the following is not a division of Madhya Pradesh? Chhindwara. Chhindwara is not a division of Madhya Pradesh. It comes in Jabalpur district. Which city of Madhya Pradesh is called Detroit? Pitampura. Detroit is meaning automobile manufacturing city. So the city of Detroit is Pitampura is called Madhya Pradesh and there are many manufacturing industries here. It is in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh and that the Detroit of India is called Chennai. Bharatari folklore is a song from which region of Madhya Pradesh? Malwa. Bharatari folk songs are sung in the memory of King Bharatari in the Chamba region of Madhya Pradesh. Where is Captain Roop Singh Stadium in Madhya Pradesh? Gwalior. Captain Roop Singh Stadium is in Gwalior and it was named after Roop Singh, the brother of Major Dhyan Chand and legendary hockey player of India. Amjad Ali Khan is from which region of Madhya Pradesh? Is from which region of Madhya Pradesh? I think they have written wrong. Actually, they want to know what kind of music instrument they use. Okay, Amjad Ali Khan used to play sarod player. Harpi tabla player, star player. He is a sarod player. And Amjad Ali Khan was from Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh and was a famous sarod player from India. He was born on 9th October 1945. Gotmar Fair is held in which district of Madhya Pradesh? In Chhindwara. How many stations of All India Radio are there in Madhya Pradesh? Five. Madhya Pradesh has five All India radios: Bhopal, Indore, Chhatarpur, Gwalior, and Chhindwara. In which city is the IIT and IIM in Madhya Pradesh? Indore. The story of Lala Hardol is related to which region? Orcha. The story of Lala Hardol is from district of Madhya Pradesh. Orcha is famous for project of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh Rajghat. Rajghat is situated on the Betwa river. It is 14 kilometers from Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh. It has a capital of capacity of 45 megawatt. Bansagar Dam is built on which river? Son River. Bansagar Dam is built on the Son River in Shahdol district, Madhya Pradesh. In 1991, Sagar or Bansagar Dam is multi-purpose river valley projected on Son River, situated in the Ganges Basin in Madhya Pradesh, India, with both irrigation and 435 megawatt of hydroelectric power generation. When did Singrauli district come into existence? 24th May 2008. It was formally it was formed by combining Singrauli, Chitrangi, and Devsar Tehsil of Sindhi district. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which district of Madhya Pradesh? Mandsaur. It passes through Bhopal, Ujjain, Vidisha, Bhopal, Ujjain, Ratlam, but it doesn't pass through Mandsaur. Mandsaur. Okay. How many central universities are there in Madhya Pradesh? Two. One is Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University, Sagar, and second one is Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Annupur. Who is called the energy capital of Madhya Pradesh? Singrauli. Where is the Indira Gandhi National Human Museum in Madhya Pradesh? It is in Bhopal, Manav Sangrahalaya. Indira Gandhi Manav Sangrahalaya, and it is located in Bhopal. Who was the author of Rakhi Ki Challenge? Uh, she is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. The Challenge of Rakhi was composed by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. In which stadium of Madhya Pradesh did Sachin Tendulkar score the world first double century? It's a Captain Roop Singh Stadium located in Gwalior. And in February 2010, Sachin scored the world first double century against South Africa. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's all for today. Please have a do regular and frequent revision for current affairs and GK, and also best of luck for your dental preparation. All the dental aspirants who are preparing for the MP GK can join our platform Edu Udan for the crash course and streamlined preparation for Madhya Pradesh dental surgeon exam, which is going to be held on 12th of October 2025. Thank you and have a nice day. Yes, yes. So, I hope the provided information is useful for aspiring candidate who are preparing for the exams. So, do subscribe us. We'll regularly give you MPGK and current affairs, which is usually the question which are usually asked in the exams. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.